Hello everyone, I am Adil Benabou, a PhD student from Sultan Moulay Slimane University, Beni Mellal, Morocco. I'd like to extend my gratitude of the organizer for giving you the opportunity to participate in this wonderful conference. Today, I'm excited to share our research titled Revolutionizing Human Resource Practice, the impacts of artificial intelligence on human resource management. Our plan will be as follows. Firstly, introduction, in which we'll start by setting the context and importance of AI in human resource management. Secondly, methodology. I will explain the systematic approach we used in our research, highlighting our methods of data collection. Third, overview of AI-enhanced human resource practice will explore how AI is redefining various HR functions. For AI-enhanced human resource management, example from leading companies. Five, human resource practice comparison before and after AI integration. Finally, I will summarize the conclusion for finding and discuss the potential future direction of research in this field. So, introduction. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, artificial intelligence is no longer just a theoretical innovation but a transformative force across various industries. In the realm of human resource management, AI is redefining traditional process, promising a significant shift toward more efficient and effective and equitable workplace practices. This shift is not only optimizing how we recruit, train, and retain employees, but it's also reshaping the strategic role HR plays in driving organizational success. However, this transformation brings with its ethical challenge necessitating careful consideration of privacy, bias, and fairness within these advanced systems. Now, objective of this study. This study aims to investigate the transformative impacts of AI across various human resource functions, including recruitment, employee engagement, and performance management, and others, highlighting how AI enhances this area to explore the ethical consideration of AI in human resource management, focusing on the challenge of data privacy, bias mitigation, and maintaining employee trust. Three, transforming traditional human resource practice with AI by exploring how artificial intelligence has transformed traditional human resource practice into modern strategic human resource management. 4. Demonstrates practical implementation of AI throughout case study and real-world application. Now for methodology. In our research, we conducted a thorough and systematic literature review to assess the impacts of AI in human resource practice. Here is a quick overview of our methodology. Systematic literature review. Our study is grounded in a systematic review of the literature, ensuring comprehensive analysis of AI's impacts on human resource management. Scope of source. We meticulously analyzed 67 peer-reviewed articles indexed in Scopus and Web of Science, focusing on their relevance to AI application within human resource management. Disciplinary focus. The selected articles span management science and computer science, providing a multidisciplinary perspective on AI technology. So, this robust methodological framework allowed us to construct a solid foundation for our finding on EI in human resource management. Now, we pass to overview of EI enhanced HR practice. In this part of our presentation, we will explore how EI is redefining human resource practice. So, 1. Automation of administrative tasks throughout EI. EI greatly improved efficiency and accuracy of routine administrative tasks like payroll processing and employee data management using machine learning and robotic process automation. 2. Recruitment and selection. AI transform recruitment by automating resume screening and using predictive analytics to assess conduct suitability. This speed up hiring and enhance fairness, reducing bias with tools like applicant tracking system and AI-driven platforms. 3. Career management. AI support personalized career development by analyzing data to offer tailored career pathway and succession planning facilitated by AI, career coach, and predictive analytic. 4. Training and development. AI personalized training program based on performance and skills data analysis, optimizing learning outcome with adaptive learning technology and virtual training assistants. 5. Talent management. AI dynamically enhance talent management by using predictive analysis and talent intelligence platform to identify development needs and align them with the strategic goals. Now for 6. Human resource planning. EI aids strategic human resource planning by employing predictive analytics for workforce forecasting and resource allocation, thereby optimizing organizational efficiency. 7. Workplace quality of life management. EI use technological like facial recognition and sentiment analysis to actively monitor and improve employee well-being. This dynamically enhancing workplace conditions. 8. Performance management. EI transform performance management with real-time feedback and data-driven insights, enabling tailored strategy for development and promotion through continuous performance management software. 9. Enhance employee behavior. AI using technology like natural language processing and machine learning analyze employee behavior and sentiment to enhance workplace interaction and engagement. Lastly, ethical transformation and human resource practice. AI promotes ethical human resource practice by facilitating regular algorithm audits, upholding data privacy, and reducing bias through transparency tools and ethical framework. So, each of these areas show how AI not only simplify human resource practice but also adds strategic value, making human resource more adaptive and forward-thinking. Now we move to human resource practice comparison before and after AI integration. In this slide and the next slide, we explore the transformative effects of EI on traditional HR practice by comparing them before and after EI integration. So everything in this table is extracted from the literature review. First, administrative task automation. Traditional approach. Previously, administrative tasks were manual, labor-intensive, error-prone, and time-consuming. Now, AI automates these tasks, analyzing vast datasets with high accuracy, significantly reducing errors, saving time, and freeing HR for strategic roles. 2. Recruitment and selection. Before, recruitment was often manual, time-consuming, biased with the challenge in management large volume of application. Now, AI facilitates the handling of large volume of application, enhance communication with the candidates, automate the screening, and save time and research. 3. Career management. Traditionally based on hierarchy and direct interaction, now AI enables tailored career path and predictive succession planning. 4. Training and development. Traditionally, it's generic and not personalized. Now, AI personalized training enhancing efficiency with mobile coaching. In continuing our comparison of HR application before and after integration of AI, let's look a more specific area. 5. Talent management. Traditionally, performance evaluation were heavily influenced by supervisor bias. Now, AI use predictive analytics for dynamic development and retention strategy. 6. Human resource planning. Planning was primarily manual, focusing on immediate workforce needs. Now AI uses predictive analytics for strategic planning, enhancing team collaboration. 7. Workplace quality of life management. Previously, intervention were manual and centered on physical workspace evaluation like ergonomic and employee satisfaction surveys. Now, AI use technological like facial recognition, text analysis, and natural language processing technology for sentiment analysis to improve workplace condition and offering personalized solution. 8. Performance management. Traditionally focused on annual reviews, assessments, past performance. Now AI enables real-time feedback and continuous adjustments using data-driven analytics. 9. Enhancing employee behavior. Previously, the focus was on equitable reward and recognition. AI now analyzes data and sentiment to predict and improve behavior supported by virtual assistants. Lastly, ethical and legal principles. Traditionally managed expectation and communication to prevent misunderstanding based on psychological and legal contracts. No, EI ensure transparency, regular audit, and adherence to legal standards to maintaining fairness and privacy. Now, 5, we will show EI enhanced human resource management example from leading companies. So let's start by EBM's Watson. Watson assist EBM across various HR functions, notably in recruitment and training. So EI it's reduced recruitment time by 30%, enhanced diversity by analyzing vast dataset to identify the best candidates fitting the company's culture and predicts employee departure to allow proactive retention strategy. So let's move to ESAP recruit output. Um, AI automates the screening of job application. The impact is to reduce the time for initial candidate screening by 40%, minimize based by selecting candidates based on skill and cultural fit. Cisco system role use AI-powered diversity dashboard, impact track real-time workforce diversity matrix, identify department or roles with diversity gaps, and suggest corrective action to improve inclusivity and employee satisfaction. Johnson and Johnson use AI to ensure job description and free from biased language. The impact is to promote diversity in recruitment and support ethical standards. So this example showcase how AI speed up the recruitment process and enhance the quality and inclusivity of recruitment and workforce management. Conclusion. To conclude, in our study, we have highlighted the significant impact of artificial intelligence on human resource management, showcasing its role in enhancing efficiency, decision making, and employee engagement across various HR functions. Well, AI has revolutionized practices such as recruitment, training, and performance management. Challenges remain. These include ethical concerns like data privacy and bias, as well as technical complexities of AI implementation. Future research should focus on developing ethical framework for AI in human resource management, examining the long-term impact on workforce dynamic and exploring AI's socio-economic implication across different industry and cultural contexts. Addressing this issue will enable users to fully leverage AI's potential to foster more equitable innovative workplace. Um, Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this presentation informative and interesting.